Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Joy of Delights. Today I came with a special recipe called Brinjal Masala. Let's start the process. For Brinjal Masala, take a kadai, add 4 tablespoons of groundnuts, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 to 3 red chilies. Roast it for 5 minutes. Once groundnuts roasted well, add half cup dry coconut slices and sesame seeds. Roast it for 5 minutes. After roasting it well, take it into a blender and make it a smooth paste. In the same kadai, add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Slit the brinjal into 4 and fry it in oil till brinjal cooks up to 80%. Cover the lid and cook brinjal up to 80%. Once brinjal cooked, take it into a plate. In same oil, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 2 pinch of hing. And add handful of curry leaves. After that, add 1 cup of chopped onions and saute it well. Once onion sauteed well, add ginger garlic paste, and Brinjal Masala. Mix the masala well. Add 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp and cook masala well until oil separates from it. Once oil separates from it, add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of rock salt and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Once oil separates from the masala, add 1.5 cup of water in it and add fried brinjals. Mix it well and cover the lid. Cook brinjals in masala for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. Our delightful brinjal masala is ready. Serve it hotly and enjoy with your family. Thank you for watching.